Richard, stop doing that. Please. You can start doing the nautical references instead if you like.
I really enjoyed our day out together, Richard. It's not very often I get to take someone out for a nice dinner.
This car's a bit like a chemist shop. Just dumps adrenaline every time you move your right
Please take
foot.
the next exit on the right.
Shut up.
I know he can be a bit of a pain and everything.
Who?
Jeremy.
Yeah.
But that is a very long way to drive.
Yeah.
I mean, he's still got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of miles.
So here we are in Germany, the last refuge of the speed freak. 252 miles of autobahn where we'll see what the SLR is really made of. It's probably a good time now to talk about this car's ferocious engine. It's a big supercharged V8, and it needs to be big because the supercharger needs 120 brake horsepower just to run it.
Now, has Jeremy got dancing girls in his... That's a very expensive car.
But it doesn't have dancing girls.
No, I don't think it has.
65% of Germany's autobahns are restricted. But not this bit. That is now 160 miles an hour.